Para pagputok, sabay na tayo. Akala mo naman walang namatay na pulis. Sabi ko. Now she is treading a very dangerous ground. I leave it to her to continue. Well, Lenny, you give them the proper guidance, the direction to which they should proceed. Ganon. The way the reporting, it must be clear. Have it reported. Ako, yan sa PTV4, yung extra time dyan. Nandyan lahat yung incidents regarding drugs. Makikita mo, sino ang mga tao sa Pilipinas. That is every day. May briefer na ba ngayon? Do I have the briefer now? Makita ko sa inyo. First page yan, kalista. Yun ang pinapakita ko. Tignan mo kung ilang